What's up, guys? This is Tanner from GameDwellers, and today, unfortunately, I have to do a white noise jump scare. I don't have to, I want to. I'm scared to. Let's get it started. We're gonna do Nightmare. Whatever place that is. If I sound funny, it's because I'm sick. I've been sick for about a week. Yep. And it sucks. And while I've been sick, I played this game by myself like 5 times. I hate it. It's scary. This game, I don't know. Whoever made this game, you're screwed up. It sucks. What? Green rock. Those things are the devil, man. They get on my nerves. Not my job. So there's a tape over here. Yes, tip number 1. I don't even know why I'm saying yes. This is gonna get scary. Oh my gosh. Of course you'd pop up right there. You always have to pop up after I pick out the first tape, huh? Is that what you can do? Oh, now you're gonna walk the trail with me. Oh, come hold my hand, Goldilocks. Oh, dude, no, Creamer. Is that another landmark? Yes, it is. Is there no tape around here? Hiding behind a tree. I can still see you, fool. Tape around here. That's garbage. Garbage! There should be one over here, guys. Scared. Oh, I hear it. To notice what? Bro, tell me. Make the tapes longer. I wanna know. I don't know the story of this. Oh, I do, but a little bit blurry on it. I don't know where the guy's at either. First he was following me. I just like disappeared. Oh, and I hear him circling me. The only story I know about this game is there's a dude following you, scaring you. Picking up tapes is what you gotta do. And these over there. Alright. Nope, go away. Landmark 3. There should be a thing there. I believe. I hear the white noise. Here we go. I can't hear you. I couldn't understand them. Auto-tune, please. Another landmark? Wow, this one's actually easier. I've actually never seen this kind of landmark. Mom. hear one. I hear a tape. Tape number 4. Now we're on the street. I'm gonna get off the street. Oh no, wait, there's a cabin down here. I don't know where the guy's at. They just disappeared on me. Ah! Oh my god! Oh! Run! Run! Is he still back there? He's right there. There's a fence. There's the cabin. Bro, back away. Back away, please. Where's that? Is that on the outside? Cursive outside. Dude, I need to go there. Please turn around and go the other way. Walk the other way. No. Run. Guys, I got, rusty fence. Evil dude. Evil dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Run! I can't see. Get out from behind the tree, you little kid. 5 tapes. I got 5 tapes, guys. Now I'm dreading going in the woods. I know he's gonna be there. Where are you at, buddy, old pal? Ah! I hear your mommy. I'm sorry, I'm your daddy. I'm your daddy. I understand you're upset about me being your daddy. Ah! I've never seen him so close to my life. Mom, I want a hug. Like and subscribe. I totally hate this. Oh, I'm gonna have nightmares tonight. See you guys later.